Hello, my dear friends. Let's learn the some alphabets. Let's start.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my
First letter is A.
time. Won't you sing with me?
A.
A B C D E F G.
Next letter is B. Is this B? No. B. Next letter is C. No. C. Let's find D. Is this D? No. B. Next letter is E. Yes, E. Let's find F. No. F. The next letter is G. G. Let's find H. H. The next letter is I. Let's find I. Is this I? No. Yes, I. The next is J. Where is J? Is this J? No. J. The next letter is K. No, it's small k. Yes, K. Big K. The next letter is L. L. Is this M? It's small m. We find big M. M. The next letter is N. N. The next letter is O. Is this O? No. Yes, O. Let's find P. Is this P? No. P. Let's find Q. Q. Is this R? No. It's small r. We find big R. R. The next letter is S. S. Let's find T. Is this big T? No. T. U.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Let's find V. Is this V? No. V. The next letter is W.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
W.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Let's find X.
T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Is this
and
X?
Z.
No.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Yes,
me?
X. Let's find next letter Y.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Y.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
And the last letter is Z.
R, S, T,
Is this Z?
W,
No.
X, Y, and Z. Now I
Yes,
know my
Z.
ABCs.
All the letters are complete. Let's learn together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Don't forget like and subscribe. Bye bye friends.